Welcome back to our channel. Want hands-free, high-performance vacuuming with the latest AI navigation? Meet the Shark AV2501AE, a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean, it thinks smart. With ultra-precise mapping, powerful suction, and a self-empty base that holds up to 60 days of debris, this vacuum is built to make your life easier. Whether it's pet hair, carpet, or hardwood, this robot handles it all. Let's dive into what makes the AV2501AE one of Shark's smartest vacuums yet. Incredible suction. Powerful Shark suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the toughest of messes in your home. With matrix clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for whole home, deep cleaning coverage. It empties itself. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. HEPA filtration system that traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or anyone who wants cleaner, fresher air at home. Precision home mapping. 360 degrees LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. Hands-free control. Set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate cleans all with sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning. And with recharge and resume, the robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Customizable cleaning schedules. Control when and where your Shark cleans with the easy-to-use app. Create custom cleaning schedules, select rooms or zones, and even adjust cleaning intensity, all from your phone. Perfect for home with pets. With powerful vacuum suction, Shark self-cleaning brush roll, and self-empty system, the robot captures pet hair, dirt, and debris with ease. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. The bagless base does not require any additional purchase of disposal bags like traditional auto-empty robots. The Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum combines smart navigation, strong suction, and ultra-convenient self-emptying, all in one powerful package. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.